See that bunny right there? I just filmed it for like 3 minutes and now I'm filming it again. Well, I'm just eating his breakfast. Breakfast. It's like a paper shredder. That's how funny it is. The way he eats is like a paper shredder. That's funny. And nice little tail. Cottontail. A lot different than the one we saw in Minor that had a lot more cottontail on it. I think that one was a lot nicer cottontail than I've seen this one. This one doesn't have that much of a nice cottontail like the one we saw at home. Well, it's a beautiful day. Well, it's a little cloudy out, but we got a rabbit at least hopping. I want to see what that rooster is all about. See if we'll get him crowing. Can't really hear the rooster from here out. I don't know how far you can hear the rooster crow from here, but
Can you hang your towel up on the line?
Sure. Let me do that. He's over in this area now. Not really the good place to film a bunny. Got a cicada just standing there right where the bathroom house is. I'm pretty sure he's alive because obviously he's just sitting there. I don't think he's dead. Right where the bathroom house is. He's kind of cool, isn't he? Look at his wings. I mean, that's cool. Yeah, I gotta get a picture from the side view of this thing. Smallest rooster I've ever seen in my life. Look at that, it's so small.
Oh yeah.
A little camera shy. Look how cute he is. He's so cute. This is how small he is compared to the other ones. There's the big one right there. There's a big one, and there's a small one. Right, got the big one right there, and got the small rooster right there. That's hilarious. Small one's a lot friendlier. The big one is a little meaner. And small one has a pretty good, pretty small crow sound. Maybe like a high pitch like my dog Zeus's vocals. Sorry, I got a crier here. Big one, small one.
Don't touch me, and he turned around.
All right. Well, gotta go.
Hates walking,
Like I said, big one. Yeah. Big one, as you can see, that is the big one. And that is the small one. Isn't he cutie? Yeah. Yes, he sure is. He's pretty. Very pretty. Yeah. Got some slugs. Very nice size slugs. Just those interesting slugs. Like the slugs you see at the ridge. There's this one. And I know I can find the other one somewhere. Oh, there's the other one. Right there. Okay, there's the other one right there. Very nice size slugs. And they are slithering today. Or tonight, whatever you want to call it. Yep. There's the other slug. My battery's about to die, so... Actually, I do have a new battery. I gotta put that in. Okay, so... I put a new battery in and I found him again. He is quite an interesting little guy. I'm able to get a picture of him, or a video, and a picture of him. I think he's going underground, sort of. He's like slithering somewhere. May have been a snail at part of his life. He may have been a snail, but he's definitely a slug. Might be the last video I ever get of a creature tonight or whatever. Quite cool though.
These nuts?
There's literally a heron close to the beach. Look at this. This is amazing. Look how close I am right now. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like it. Wow. That is cool. It's like walking down the beach. It's amazing. And I just woke up too, so I do sound weird. Alright. That was cool though.
Daddy gets to stand out here after he's had his first shower.
I showered last night before I went to bed. I didn't wash my hair though. I don't want to have wet hair when I go to bed. I don't wash my hair.
So maybe get a number of
That'd be awesome. Dax is definitely a yes. You want to go on a go for these?
Have you ever seen anything like this? The sky is so pretty right now. I've never seen anything like this, guys. Especially when you're way south of Bethany Beach. We're in the Gulf right now. And look at the ocean. It's like literally like reflecting the ocean right now. That's crazy. There's some crazy lightning over there. Man. Look at that. That's big lightning. Look at that big lightning over there. That's crazy. We're not getting any storms tonight. I've never seen anything like it. Uh-oh. Ooh, wow, that was big. That was big. Come on, camera, focus. Oh, missed that one. Wow. Wow. Wow, that was big. Look at this, guys. A beautiful rainbow over the ocean. That is beautiful. Look at that. You know that fully, I bet you $1,000,000 that double rainbow guy is the one that's saying hi to us right now. Rest in peace, little buddy. It's kind of sad that he's dead. His video sure will be remembered. That is gorgeous. Nice to see a rainbow over the ocean. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Double rainbow, man. Not sure what it means today, but who knows. It's literally lasting a long time too, man. That's insane. Wow. That's pretty though. like the colors. Red, orange, yellow, purple, indigo, I believe. I think that's what the colors are called. I gotta get a picture of this now. There's the heron again, walking on the beach again, on this fine Wednesday morning. The second time I've witnessed the heron on the beach. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. That is cool. Yeah, I'm getting video. Yeah. Oh, he looked right at us. Look how cool he is. He just doesn't even care if the water hits his feet. It's amazing. I mean, I never thought I would see a blue heron in this part of the United States. Oh, he just flapped his wing a bit. I wonder where he's going now. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Look at that. Wow. Second time I've seen a heron fly, or capture one flying. What?
You see a crab?
No, why?
Oh, I didn't think that a
It's a sandpiper. Or a willet, or something. I think that's what it's called. Oh god. Oh yeah, this feels nice on my feet. Oh, here it comes again. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is nice. How long that beak is. I'll give you a good sized beak. Cleaning himself now. Ah, it flew away. Look at all these, see these, Dad? Oh yeah, those are ospreys.
Osprey, I was thinking of it. My dad used to see them all the time on board. I couldn't remember. They look kind of like a hawk, but white. You need a life jacket. No, you need a life jacket. You need one? I said a word, you're old enough. Okay, you're gonna wear one anyway? That's crazy.
Here he is. Let's see. There it goes.
If it was like on Tuesday, then yes.
They're gonna squirt our shit.
Why? We're gonna get wet. Be careful.
Hey, I mean, the boats ram into each other on Tuesday.
Look out!
All right, good. Maybe we're not running it.
Okay, they're not doing it. Uh-oh, they're gonna try and get us. Uh-oh, they're turning around.
Right there. Okay, Tuesday, we were on the pirate ship. I don't know what boat it was. We ran into a boat. One of the guys from the pirate ship, he was on that boat. There was chaos ensued.
Holy. Oh my god, look at that.
Right there.
Shout out to my dad who got those videos of the dolphins. Unfortunately, bad news. Shortly after taking pictures on that particular cruise, my camera unfortunately broke. So I am in the process of getting a new camera, which I'm really excited about. Stay tuned. Well, actually, check it out on my Instagram page, sort of. I don't know. I can't really say anything on my Instagram page lately. So this camera I'm getting is called a Nikon Coolpix P900. It's the biggest camera Nikon has for the point and shoot. The good news is I'm in the process of getting it. The bad news is it's on back order, so I probably won't get it for like a few months. Oh, one just jumped out of there. I hope I got that. Oh, one just jumped out of there. I hope I got that. It's like I'm walking on vinyl. What's that? I don't know if you can hear it from the wind. Sand sounds weird when I walk on it. Sounds like I'm walking on a vinyl record.